Welcome to Cloud Technex's tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover how to apply for unemployment benefits. When you lose your job due to no fault of your own, you can apply for unemployment benefits if you qualify. In order to qualify, you must meet the criteria set by the states. If you inaccurately file a claim, it could lead to delays in processing or disciplinary action. Not to be confused with stimulus, see the differences with this example. You will have the option, if approved, how to receive payment. Electronic payment or check. Required tax information is needed. If you filed your taxes but don't have your forms on hand, chances are you can retrieve them online. You can get tax info online using ADP's website. If not here, then contact your employer's HR department. Guard your card. When filing, watch out for scams like these listed in this example. Resource links to answer FAQs will be added in the description. Steps in the following order. Visit the appropriate state's website to file for UI benefits. See link in description. In this example, we will file in the state of California. Select link to file a claim. Every state's site is formatted differently. If you file for the first time, you will need to create a profile before filing a claim. Select the option to register. Agree to terms. Fill in the questions and submit. When you receive the login info in your email, revisit the login page and sign in to begin. California calls it UI. Some other states like South Dakota calls it reemployment assistance benefits, while Florida calls it reemployment assistance. Even the payment card issued may differ depending on the state. And the title between states may be different, but the purpose of the benefits is the same. Select the option to file for unemployment benefits. Listed are what is needed to file a claim. Your work history and W-2s will be needed. Log into ADP's website and retrieve your W-2s if available. Download your statements. Proceed. Fill out the following questions. Make sure to have all the information to fill out ready to go, so the website doesn't time out due to lack of activity while you look for the info. You have a Save as Draft option. You can use that to pick up where you left off in the event you have to step away and complete later. Continue to fill the requested items as follows. The following item selected in this example is for the purpose of this tutorial. You may need to select options that apply to you. Unemployment claim is filed. If approved, expect paperwork and benefits card in the mail if you opted for electronic payment. Print or save for your records. Copy of claim saved. Survey is optional to fill out. Contact if you don't receive any mail within 2 weeks. Once you receive your card, you may activate card online, by phone, or use the ATM. Browse website for more details. The state of California requires you post your resume online at the CalJobs website. See link for more details. This concludes how to file for unemployment benefits. All steps complete. Thanks for watching.